Forest Service in League City has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Southeastern Montgomery County in southeastern Texas, Northwestern Liberty County in southeastern Texas, Northern Harris County in southeastern Texas, until 7:30 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 7:04 p.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Woodbranch, or near Kingwood, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include Kingwood, Patton Village, Roman Forest, Woodbranch, Hardin, Plum Grove, Dayton Lakes, Lake Houston, Moss Hill, New Caney, and Porter. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Large hail, damaging wind, and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning are occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. A tornado watch remains in effect until 1 a.m. Central Standard Time for southeastern Texas.